welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kandi, and today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a full-on review, swatches, and demo on the new Kat Von D 10th Anniversary Eyeshadow Palette. If you're my Kandi babes, thank you so much for coming back and checking out your girl. And if you're new, welcome. I hope this review and this video kind of show you how I am. I hope you like the idea of the colors that I'm going to choose. So now, I have to let you guys know that I did not purchase this for myself. My lovely boo-boo, my boo thing, he bought this for me for Mother's Day and completely surprised me by it. Last night, after I put Oliver down, he was like, I found your tweezers and I just want to make sure that those are the right tweezers that, you know, something silly. And I'm like, okay, whatever. And I go in there and what is on my makeup desk? It's Sephora. Now, I don't know what it is, but when I see this thing, I like literally geek up inside and like melt a little bit and be like, you truly know me and love me. I wasn't really thinking that Mother's Day was, you know, gonna be gifts. I just really want to hang out with my boys. So this was a really great surprise. And then when I looked inside the bag, ew, I was insanely like shooked that this was in there. I mean, for one, when I look at this packaging, it makes me think of Willy Wonka. Like, I won that golden ticket and now I'm going to be like, hey. Well, I knew she was coming out with her anniversary stuff, but I thought it wasn't gonna be out until later this month. And sure enough, that is correct. Like, he somehow got the hookup at Sephora for me to get this palette. So boo boo, my baby, my best friend, my everything. Thank you so much for spoiling your girl. Thank you, baby. I really do appreciate it. Mwah. I'm really excited for this. Let's just go ahead and jump into this thing, you guys. The packaging is amazing. It is quite heavy, which tells me that the product and like Kat Von D actually took her time to actually curate and make sure that this palette represents her and the 10th anniversary. The back of the packaging does have the names of the eyeshadows. When I was looking over a website and also her Instagram, the names of the eyeshadow palettes are either people who are her muses and people who have helped her out for the whole 10 years. So I thought that was amazing that she took the time out to create a palette to really showcase the colors and then also to name the colors after people that really did help her throughout this entire process. Palette alone, I mean, look at this. Her artwork, I'm just amazed of how her art has really transpired onto this palette. And the gold, honey, like, come on, this makes me I'm a sucker. Like, when I have palettes, I need a mirror. And this palette comes with a gorgeous mirror, super big. With the shadows, I mean, look at these color ranges, y'all. The shimmers, the transition colors, the bolds of color. Like, this palette is so gorgeous. And with me, and if you're new, I love, okay, bolds of color, and I love wearing color. To me is like, I have to have some color. Like, it's weird if I don't have anything on me that's not a pop of color. I feel like this thing will be used and will definitely be May favorites. I have a feeling it's gonna be. Oh, just look at this thing. Let's just give some deets about the whole palette, okay? Per her Instagram, it says that the launch dates are as follows. So the 5th of May, this launched on her website, and it also launched on Sephora.com. The Sephora stores actually does not have them available in America until the 21st. So out again, I have no idea how my boo-boo did this, but for somehow reason, he was able to go to the store, got the hookup, and to get it early enough. In the world, most of it gets available in the end of May, June, July, and Brazil, unfortunately, you have to wait until November. Per Kat Von D's website and Sephora, both websites do state that the price for the palette is $52. So thanks, boo. You spoil your girl. You spoil your girl. You get 16 shadows for $52, which isn't bad at all. Like, some palettes don't even have that much, and the payoff's not even that great. This is actually the first eyeshadow palette that I'm getting to use from her, so I'm really excited for that because I love her lipsticks. Like, there's multiple looks that I've done with those lipsticks, so I'm like, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be really, really great. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyebrows on. Then I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. We're gonna go ahead and play with this shadow, so I'll be right back, you guys. Okay guys, so now that the brows are locked on me, so it's this shade here. This one is called Ashley. That is going to be the first shade that we take. Then the second shade is called Malice, and it's right next to that, which is a more deeperish orange shade. And then the more darker brown shade is called Adele, and that's right there. And I'm going to take that as the third shade we're going to be using. So first I'm just going to go ahead and use my Morphe brush, and I'm going to place Ashley on my crease as the first transition shade. Right off the bat, absolutely hardly any type of kickback just using that one shadow base. Really like the payout of the pigmentation. You know, because I am dark skin tone, I do have to apply it a little bit more heavier. And I am using a concealer without setting concealer so that the color payout can pull out a lot deeper than, say, if I didn't have any type of a concealer or primer on my eye. Now we're going to go ahead and deepen this orange shade, and we're going to be using the shade called Malice. This is so pretty, and they blend really great together. Like, I'm not even having to really apply a lot. Like, this red is really popping for me. This is popping. Now to deepen that shade, we're going to now use the shade Adele, and we're going to place that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to go back in with Malice just to re-deepen that red and soften out that dark color as well. Mama like. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. While this is still wet, we are now going to go in with the shade Leafar. Leafar. I think it's Leafar. Don't credit me, but it is a nice shimmery green color. Holy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now and do my foundation. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so I finished my face, and I did put on a highlighter, blush, and all that jazz with the contour. And I just want to let you guys know that I did use a black liner on top, and then on the bottom lashes I did use the NYX little denim dress liner. Technically is a lip liner, but I kind of always use it for something else. We're good to go now to finish the bottom eye and then finish off with the lips, and this look is completely done. So for the bottom lash line, I think what I want to smoke it out with is the color Chad, and Chad is my favorite color. Blue is my fave. So we're going to take this nice Sephora smudge brush, and we're just going to go ahead and smudge the bottom lash line with Chad. Chad, darling, you're giving me more of a Vavoom vibe. Ooh, mama like. And for the last color, we are going to be using this gorgeous gold shade, and this is in the shade Egypt. And we're going to place that on the inner corner of my eye. Again, no fallout, like, at all. Me using these shimmers, like, I think that's insane. Like no fallout, no fallout on the blue here, as you can see. There's like no fallout at all, you guys. I really like how there's no fallout in this whole palette. Oh, look at that, Egypt. Egypt just ties it all together. Oh, cute. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on the bottom lashes. And then for lips, I'm still kind of like not knowing what I want to do. So for the lips, I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX lip pencil. And this is in the shade Espresso. Actually, you know what? We're going to just use the pencil and use this as my lipstick. Alright guys, well, this is the final look. I was going to go with a bold look, but then I thought it might be too much for everybody, especially if you're new to my channel. I don't want to kind of scare you with all the color that I can do. But I do want to advise, like, I do have, you know, her other lipsticks, and I was just going to try to do a whole collab of it. But to dummy it down and not like be too intense, I'm gonna like not do that. So let's go ahead and get into the final review. Honestly, I think this palette is freaking fantastic. You get 16 shadows, you get a great mirror, okay? So let's just go through the bonuses here. Okay, so you get 16 shade, this great mirror, and there's no fallout. Like, I hardly had any kind of kickback on me. The pigmentation is fantastic. It blends out really great. But I think for the purpose of this video and doing a first time, like, everything with this palette, it really did pay off. Again, I did not pay for this, so boo boo, thank you for getting this amazing palette. It is fantastic. I also love the fact that she put the names on the back of the compact of the palette here. And I also love the fact that the box has the names on it and it's color coded for you. I mean, the packaging alone is super so gorgeous. So gorgeous. You can't go wrong with this, you guys. So let me know your comments down below on how you like the review, the demo. I'll make sure to do the swatches here now while I do the end of my spiel. So if you're my Kandi babes, thank you so much, guys, for coming back and watching this whole entire tutorial, review, demo, the whole shebang. I really do appreciate your love and support, you guys. You guys are amazing, seriously. I want to just say that you guys have really pushed me, and there's going to be new things coming. I'm going to be doing a blog, so there's going to be more stuff there. And again, if you are new here, thank you so much for coming by and checking out this palette and checking out this review with me. I hope you guys like it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on and go ahead and end this video, guys. Thanks for coming by and watching me get glammed up. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time.